Hey, this is Chaz Roberts. I'm a personal injury lawyer. It's my passion to bring the law to the people, and that's the purpose of this podcast. You are listening to Law Have Mercy. It's time again for another bonus episode where I try to answer a question in 5 minutes or less. Carter, hit me with a question, buddy.
Well, Chaz, you talk a lot about, the accident protocol, you being a personal injury lawyer. What are the top 4 things that I should be doing immediately after a car wreck?
Excellent question, good sir. Number 1, you need to call 911. You need a police report. So if you call 911, the police will show up to the scene of the wreck and conduct an investigation. They're going to put the names of the drivers, insurance information, conduct a preliminary investigation, and that's all going to be in a police report, which is essential to your case. Number 2, you need to take pictures and videos of the scene and of all the vehicles involved. I would take a picture of the other person's license plate. I would take a picture of their insurance card if you can. If there's any witnesses there that really need to leave to go to soccer practice, take out your phone, take a video of them and say name, phone number, address, what happened. If you could get the other driver admitting to fault on video, that would be even better. All right, that's really going to help us. Number 3, you need to get medical treatment as soon as possible. If you are not dying, if you don't have some type of traumatic injury, you should go to a walk-in clinic because that's going to be thousands and thousands of dollars cheaper than the emergency clinic, the emergency room. If you are in serious physical bad shape, let's just say, you should go to the emergency room by ambulance or whether you get a ride there. All right. And lastly, but certainly not least, you need to call an experienced personal injury attorney. And I know a great one, happens to share the same name as me, Chaz Roberts. All right. A lawyer can help you navigate this situation and get you fair compensation. We know the providers. We know the insurance companies. We know how to get you the best compensation possible. How did I do on time, sir?
Nailed it.
All right. Hey, it would mean the world to me if you subscribe to the podcast and leave us a 5-star review. It helps keep the show free and it helps us book better guests to provide more valuable content to you. None of the opinions expressed by my guests are that of my own, and nothing we talked about creates an attorney-client relationship or could be construed as legal advice. Hope you enjoy the show.